So Dotterel is a company me and my brothers founded, and it focuses on noise reductions for drones, as well as the ability to record audio for cinematography and other applications from a drone. Drones are inherently loud, and this is an issue for their potential and what markets they can be used in, such as wildlife documentary filming, where drones currently can't get close to animals without scaring them. Our technology allows this with our acoustic shrouds and low noise propellers to solve this problem. Dotterel has been around for 3 years, and we've had a huge amount of success to date, including winning over 5 awards at international trade shows and raising almost $2 million of investment capital to date. My role at Dotterel is designing and building drones, as well as noise reduction for them and all the passive technology side. It's a pretty exciting space to work in, as the industry is rapidly moving and expanding. The future's looking really exciting for Dotterel. We're currently looking to be the world leader in drone noise reduction and audio recording technology, and license this innovative technology to the largest drone manufacturers in the world.